rod just fell off, or some of it.
Circle K presents the new summer road trip game. You can win over 1.5 million instant prizes.
There's some of it right
This is an amazing stream.
Go over! Are we?
Let's get into these baits and why I like them. So the first bait I'm putting on this list is something that is versatile and easy to use. That's really important to throw into this list because if you're just going to be starting off trying to catch a muskie in open water, it's a very daunting thing. So you probably want to throw a bait that can cover a lot of water, that's easy to throw, and you don't really have to think about how you're working it. I'm going to rope two baits into one category here. That's going to be a swim bait and a bucktail. The reason why I'm putting both those together is because they're both straight retreat. So you cast them out, you reel them in, that's all there is to it. You don't have to fish them any specific way since you're over that deep water. I know you're going to want to slow roll them, get them down. That gave me a lot of confidence to continue fishing open water, which then gave me confidence to play around with other baits like the papaya. This is just a swim bait.